Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I'll show you how to download and install the Happymod application to your Android TV without any problems. If you find the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So this is going to work on your Android TV, Android TV box or Google TV depending on which one you are using, and if you have any issues let me know in the comment section. So on your Android TV, here's what you have to do. Go over to the download application. Now, if you don't have the download application on your Android TV, check the description of this video. There is a link I have added that is going to help you to get download to your Android TV. After installing downloader, just go ahead and launch it, and this is how downloader should look like. Once you're here, you have to type in a code to install the Happymod APK, which is 4908780. So that's the code 4908780. So if you type in something different, this is not going to work. So please make sure you type in exactly what you see on my screen. Once you don't type in the code, just go ahead and launch, and this is going to redirect you to the APK of the application. So you can let the APK download, and then you'll be able to install the APK to your Android TV without any issues. If you found the video helpful, please like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So just give it a couple of seconds. Once the APK is downloaded, you'll be given the option to install. Once you're done installing, I always recommend to delete the app file from your Android TV to save space. That's it about this video. Follow attentively and you're going to get the application installed.